Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to do that you need to swipe up on the home screen, basically on this current watch face. You need to swipe up, it will open the menu, and once the menu opens you need to scroll through it and look for the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called, I believe it's going to be general. Yeah, find the general option and tap on it. Here look for the option called reset, and once you find the reset option, tap on it, then tap on reset button. Now you can back up your watch if you want to. Basically you can back up your data from the watch if you don't want to lose it. I'm gonna deny it, but you can allow it if you want to copy the data to a phone or to the Samsung cloud, I believe. And then once you back up the data or don't, you can tap on reset to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screens, or rather on the screen, not screens, my bad, it means that the factory reset is complete. And if you want to, you can pair your watch with another phone or something like that. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.